Hi, this is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle, and today you're going to learn how to sign up for Aweber, the affordable opt-in email marketing. And you learn why you should do this because you always want to keep in touch with your customers before and after they purchase. You want to be able to market them and cross-promote them your other courses. If someone buys eBay profits, I want to know about it. I want them to be on my email list already, and I can sell them e-commerce profits. I'd be able to want them from going on eBay to creating their own e-commerce storefront and expand their business. And in order to do this, you first need to sign up for Aweber. And right now in 2014, you can sign up for just $1 a month for your first month. $19 per month after. And you get up to 500 subscribers. You can send unlimited emails and your 30-day money-back guarantee. So start with the one up to 500 subscribers. And one day, I hope you get more than 500 subscribers. So if you get less than 2,500 subscribers, you have to pay $29 a month. So if you get less than 2,500 subscribers, you have to pay $29 per month. If you get less than 5,000 subscribers, you have to pay $49 per month, and so on and so on. Start with the up to 500 and go from there. Click sign up for just $1. In my experience, I don't want to tie myself up into the service because problems can always arise. For one reason or another, you might not be doing this in 3 months. So why sign up for the yearly plan? Because you have to pay out that $194. If it were me, I would click on the monthly plan, type in your username, your first name, your last name, your email address, your telephone number, your company name, and your company URL. And then enter in your billing information. And click I agree, complete my order. You've now signed up with Aweber, and while you're creating your WordPress.org website, you'll be able to collect emails. You want to collect good emails who are relevant to what you're selling. Thank you so much. This has been Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle.